Once there were 3 baby owls named Sarah, Percy, and Bill. They lived in a hole in the trunk of a tree with their owl mother. They had hole and twigs and leaves and owl feathers in it. And it was their house. One night they woke up and their owl mother was gone. Ooh. "Where's Mommy?" asked Sarah. "Oh my goodness," said Percy. "I want my mommy," said Bill. The baby owls thought. All owls think a lot. "I think she's gone hunting," said Sarah. "To get us some food," said Percy. "I want my mommy," said Bill. But their owl mother didn't come. The baby owls came out of their house and they sat on the tree and waited. A big branch for Sarah. A small branch for Percy. And an old piece of ivy for Bill. "She'll be back," said Sarah. "Back soon," said Percy. "I want my mommy," said Bill. It was dark in the woods and they had to be brave, for things moved all around them. "She'll bring us mice and things that are nice," said Sarah. "I suppose so," said Percy. "I want my mommy," said Bill. They sat and they thought. All owls think a lot. "I think we should all sit on my branch," said Sarah. So they all did, all 3 together. "Suppose she got lost," said Sarah. "Or a fox got her," said Percy. "I want my mommy," said Bill. And the baby owls closed their owl eyes and wished their owl mother would come. And she came! Soft and silent, she swooped through the trees to Sarah, Percy, and Bill. "Mommy," they cried, and they flapped and they danced and they bounced up and down the tree branch. "What's all the fuss?" their owl mother asked. "You knew I'd come back," the baby owls thought. All owls think a lot. "I knew it," said Sarah. "And I knew it," said Percy. "I love my mommy," said Bill.